Yeah, people, I'm making some Dukunnu today with sweet potato in there. Alright? Sweet potato Dukunnu. I'm going to use this big one with some flour and some cornmeal. Alright? So, what I'm going to do is ox out this coconut, blend it. So, you see the potato red and dirty. Ox out these coconuts, wash them, blend them, but grate up the coconut, the potato. I want the potato to grate and not blend. But I am going to ox out the coconut and wash it because you see the redness of the potato. Then I'm going to peel this and grate it with the old time grater. Alright? So we are removing the coconut from the shell. And you have to be careful and watch what you're doing and mind you cut your hand. So you push the point of the knife under the coconut. Alright? And ease it up from the shell. You have to be careful or you might just stab yourself in the middle of the hands. Alright? So you have to watch how you're taking out coconut from the shell. Alright? Push the point underneath the coconut and ease it up. Alright, we're going to get these out, blend them, and we're going to need the milk from it. Alright, so we are cutting them up and then we're going to wash them and throw away this dirty water. Then we're going to peel our potato and set that aside to grate up. Alright, so we're going to grate the potato, but we're going to blend the coconut. Alright, people. So we're going to blend some coconut. Yeah, people, so we have a cheesecloth. We have a cheesecloth and we're going to throw our coconut milk in the cheesecloth. Look at that. Better than the strainer. Better than the strainer. Look down in there. Look down in there. Milk starts coming out already. See that? All you need to do is ring it. Cheesecloth is very powerful. All you need to do is ring it. See that? Put that milk for days. And if you feel the trash and it coarse, you can blend it again. Alright, when you use a cheesecloth, you get out everything out of the coconut. Alright, that is it. Now we're going to set this aside and peel our potato. So we are peeling our potatoes now and we're going to use our grater to grate them. Alright, all time grater, not blending the potato. Then we're going to add some cornmeal and flour, our spices and some raisin. We have raisin. Alright, so let us peel our potato wash and grater. So we are almost finished peeling our potato, and then we're going to grate them with the grater, whole time grater. And then we're going to add some cornmeal, some flour, sugar, flavorings. I don't have any nutmeg. We're going to use what we have. We're going to go and look some banana leaf, banana trash, banana bark to tie them up. Banana leaf and banana bark. Alright, so right now we're peeling our potato. Alright, and then we're going to grate it. We are grating our potato. Alright, we go and put it in the blender and make it too smooth. So what we're doing is grating the potato and the old time grater, long time grater. Alright, we want it too smooth. And this look like a whole heap of Dukunoo we never make, you know. Never want a whole heap of Dukunoo. This look like we never make much Dukunoo. People, potato almost finished grating. What we're going to do now, we're going to go down into the backyard and look some banana bark and some banana leaf to tie up our blue jars. Alright? I'm going to look some banana leaf. Come with me now. So people, we're going to get some banana leaf and banana bark for the blue jars. Come with me now. Come. Then I tear up your cup. You can zoom in, don't come in here. This one look good. One look for a man. I want one more. Tear it something. I'm not tear it something. Banana ready? Need bark. Bark of the banana to tie the blue jars. This, you tie up the blue jars. Very strong. See it? Look like you're not strong. When you tie up the blue jars, you can't pull. Alright, so we need some of that. We need some more. This more. Speaker. Alright. So we have our banana bark and we have our banana leaf. So we're good now. Alright. Now we have our potato, we have our coconut milk. We are going to season up our coconut milk, and that is what we're going to use to mix up the mixture. Alright, so let me get about a tablespoon or less. My coconut milk. Let me get some salt. I don't have any nutmeg. Let me get some salt in there. No, I don't want the, and we as Jamaicans, we don't measure anything. We chew and chew till a voice says stop. No, I have salt. I have cinnamon powder. Don't have any nutmeg. Can put nutmeg in there. Don't make it too sweet. Gonna put some sugar. Don't make the Dukunoo too sweet, especially if you're big D. Don't want to call the name of the sickness. Communicable disease, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, let me call it. If you're diabetic, please go easy on the sugar. Chew it in the ear of voice. Stop! That is it, my people. Now I'm going to mix. I also have vanilla. I have my vanilla. Alright, let me incorporate all this lovely. Smells so nice. Let me incorporate all this lovely thing here. Spices. Alright. Yeah, don't watch the cinnamon powder. That will always be on the top. Something that floats on the top. Alright, let me go down when you're ready. Alright, next we have some vanilla. Alright. One, two, three cocks should be enough. It smells nice. Alright. What else do we have? You can put your allspice. I'm using what I have. Allspice. Rose almond. Suppose you want to use the rose almond water. Alright. I'm mixing out the sugar. Also, I have some raisin. Alright, I have some raisin here. I'm going to put in my Duckunoo. It smells nice, you know. Let me taste if it's alright. You can taste it, people. You can take a little more vanilla. Probably the vanilla weak. Alright, so I'm mixing this out. And then I'm going to add my raisins. What else did I leave out? Can give it a little more sugar. Alright? You don't want it too fresh either, people, don't. It's Dukunoo name, you know. Alright. But I'm not using any measuring cup. A lot of Jamaicans don't use measuring cups. We just throw until we hear a voice say, throw no more. I'm joking, people. Alright? I'm making sure that the sugar mix out. I'm going to prepare my dry ingredients. Over here, this is my grated potato. I'm going to throw some raisins in it. Flour and cornmeal. Not all of this cornmeal. Right? In mixing, if you want more cornmeal, you can add. Just to tighten up, we're gonna add some flour. Gonna add some flour to tighten. Make sure you have some aside. Alright? Make sure you have some set aside. Alright. If you're a raisin lover, put enough raisin in there if you want. Alright. If you're a raisin lover, More cornmeal. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. Wet ingredients. And if you need more flour, you can add more flour. Wet ingredients. This is going to be lovely. Some more wet ingredients. If this is too much, you have leftover, you can use it to boil porridge. Your wet ingredients can boil porridge, you know. Remember, everything that you put in the porridge would be in that. Alright, so if it's too much and you have leftover.
Can't drink it.
You want to drink the camera lady? Okay, you don't love porridge, you don't prefer drink it. Now you can't make this too dry, because you're gonna have to put it in the banana leaf and wrap it. You can take a little flour. You can take a little more flour, alright? And we're getting really messy in here. Really messy. Really mess. See, this is it, you know, people. They want it too dry. See there? See, this is it. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little more, people. You can't make it too dry, it has to boil and harden. Alright? You need it soft to go in the leaf. This is it. This is it. See that? That is what you want to go in the banana leaf. See that? What is it? Could I take more sugar? People, dead. More sugar it want, more sugar. And if it need more sugar, add more sugar, people. Once you're not diabetic, you can taste the mixture with your tongue. And if you say, oh, I want more sugar, rub it in, man. Okay? Rub it in the sugar for you to say it fall short and it want more sugar. Just rub it in the sugar. It's going to boil and harden up. Alright, now we can prepare our banana leaf. Look at that. It's like fritters, drop it. Enough it dry. See that? That's how you want the mixture. So this set aside. Now, if you have mixture leave over, if you have mixture leave over, you can use it to boil your porridge. Remember, you have vanilla in it, you have cinnamon powder, and you have coconut milk. Nice cornmeal porridge if you have some mixture leave over. Alright? But you don't want to make it too wet, and you don't want to make it too dry. Look at that. Lovely. Look at that. Alright, people, I catch the fire. Whole stove we are cook on. Right now, people, we are quail some banana leaf. Quail it over the fire so that when you're ready, it's easy for wrap. Alright, you quail it over your fire. You want to quail the banana leaf so that when time for it wrap, it's not give no trouble. Alright. You're going to wash them off when you finish. We're going to make your fire catch up some more. We're going to quail the banana leaf then.
corn meal.
Alright people, I'll make the fire catch up some more and show you the quailing process. Want to catch some more, alright? So people, the leaf is stiff. So you have to quail it so that when you wrap your dukunoo, see? Easy to wrap. You see that? So you quail the leaf over your fire, whether it's wood fire. Quail it. Can you see it changing? Make it easier for the wrapping process. Right now the leaf is very stiff. Can you see the leaf changing, withering? Because the fire is really high right now. See how fast it do? So you have to put it over high flames. See it? Just change rapidly as I draw it over the fire. Look at that. Look at that. Then I'm going to rinse my leaf off. Yeah, the leaf is dirty. I'm going to rinse them off and start the wrapping process. Alright? Don't know if I cut enough leaf, and then I'm going to put on the water to start boil. Hope I have enough leaf. Alright? Can you see that? Leaf changing. If I turn it on the other side, you see it better. Yeah. So we are quailing our leaf. We call it quail. When we create in the chapters, you will see the different steps. If the lazy camera lady want to put in the chapters for you to see. Alright? See it? Just folding over like a book. So we are at quailing our banana leaf. Right? This is the quailing process. See that? Leaf ready to roll. See that? Ready to rumble. You can put your dukunoo when it's cool, you put it in the fridge and eat it. It's very nice. I'm going to quail a different piece now. Pass that, give me. And then I'm going to put on the water to boil. In that big pot over there. Alright? See that? Really nicely. Alright. I'm going to make our water boil up. And we lower down our dukunoo in there. Alright, so tie out dukunoo first. The water can go and boil until you're ready. Alright, quailing the banana leaf, this is called. And this is our traditional Jamaican Dukunoo. People. With a twist. Dukunoo with a twist. You can put little rum in there too, you know. You can put little wine in there. Hey, at that time it's bad. Put a little wine or a little rum in a dukunoo. Ha ha. Massa. At that time the dukunoo bad. See that? You can't wrap no man, flimsy. Make sure you wash the banana leaf, people. They are filled with dirt. My problem is we had some very strong rain and some very strong winds. Rip the banana leaves apart. So most of the banana leaves, I did not get them all. Alright, they are torn up on the tree. If you look up there, you will see in the video when I was looking the banana leaf, I didn't find a lot of old banana leaf. A lot of them tear up from the heavy rain and the breeze that we got this week. So I'm going to use what I found. Alright, make sure you wash. Make sure you wash the banana leaf. They are dirty. Alright? Make sure you watch them. Now we're going to go to the tying process. Like for instance, this banana leaf is torn. I'm going to put it at the bottom. Put another piece on it. Can't waste it. So that the mixture don't leak out. You have to make sure that that it's not coming out. All right, people, make sure that it's not coming out. All right, then you start to tie. Secure it very well, because when the boiling process starts, it might just come out. All right, this is the first one. Make sure it tie up properly. I'm going to cut off a piece of that. It's too long. With a knife one. It's too long. And it's strong, you know, very strong. See, one ready. All right. Let us see if we can use a single leaf now, because that was 2 leaves. You don't want it too big enough, people. Go run out. Check the other end too. Check the other end. Make sure it's down in there. Fold it up. Tie. It's too short or what? Tie a leaf. Because you have to tie the leaf. Tie a leaf. Get a stronger piece. Go again. Next way. So that you hold the dough in the middle. But you cannot tie only one side, alright? Because when the boiling process starts, everything is going to come out. Tie them good, alright? Tie up your tire leaf good. I think this is secure. Alright? This is two. Cut off it. Strong enough. This is two. You need more banana bark. That's some down here. And there's another piece. Put another piece under here. If we need to get more, we get it. Alright people, come over sideways lady so you can see everything. So my viewers can see how if we tie up them tire leaf.
Flip it over first. The other side, flip it and wrap it. Don't leak out there, so. Flip it over, flip it over. Yes, I open, see? Flip it over.
No, we flip it, wrap over already. Wrap more than one time. Alright, so first start the bending process from one side. And then catch the other side. You bend one side already. Catch the other side now. Catch the other side now. You can give it a shake like. Seal and sign it. Everything alright in there? Yes. Alright. So this is 2 piece. It is in 2 pieces. This one secure. A 2 piece wrap it. Tie a leaf now. One tie.
2 tie.
2 tie.
Then 3.
Crisscross. See that? Crisscross. Secure. Trim them up if you want. There's 2 leaves underneath it, and so. And trim them up if you want. This one will secure. Alright? Tire leaf. Dukunnu. And I think when you double your leaf, better for you. Right. Top and bottom. See? A double 2 piece of leaf. Go in again. Thing in there. Everything alright in there. Look down there. Thing alright. So you're ready to tie up now. So when you use 2 leaves, it's better. Alright. You're going with the tire leaf now. This one short. I'm gonna tie it first. We'll secure it and then go look at another piece. Let's see if it can go on. Tie my 5 short. Let me get more bark. I have bark, people. Just not beside me. Alright? Alright, so make we tie up a leaf again.
Come again, over there. Over again. Top bottom.
I'm going to bust the one I bust people. I banana leaf them. Strong, you know. So I'm a behave so. The banana bark strong, you're afraid. Yeah. That's all wrapping still about me around. Make sure it's same secure. Get a longer piece and secure it. Better safe than sorry. Let me say me secure again. Sound like you want here. Better safe than sorry, people. Yeah, true. Ooh. trim it off, people.
Should I bring it
Oh.
Should I bring it away here? So.
Alright, people. Go back in there again. More tighter. More leaf. Alright, trim him up. Make him look good now. Although I not what time ago. More tire leaf, people. One piece more. Piece more leaf. One piece more. Piece more.
No, I'm not going to put too much in there.
Yeah, 2 me use.
Where's that going to put it?
Going in again, people. What's good, family? All right, make we look what I want on here. Falling time. So I want in here. I'm peeping the people. Oh, what's going on down there? Oh, you can't see it, I can see.
Okay.
Alright, so now that your water is boiling, lower down your tire leaf. Place your Duckunoo into the boiling water and let the Duckunoo do itself, it work itself. Alright? Once you put them in there, no more problems. The Duckunoo will just cook by itself and that's it. Alright, probably you want to fix them in the water. Probably you want to fix them. See them? Fix it. But just leave them and let them do them work. Alright? Cover it down and let the Duckunoo cook. People, Duckunoo finish. Take them out and put them to cool. Take them out and put them to cool.
Yes.
Alright, we're putting them to cool. Alright, don't cut them until they cool. Just like pudding. Duckunoo. The days. All I need now is a Pepsi. We're going to put the Duckunoo to cool. Alright, all of them come out now. We're going to put them to cool. And then we'll cut one and let you see. Alright? What eat it? You can see?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to make them cool and then we'll slice it up for you. Alright? Yes, people, so we put the Duckunoo to cool. And now we have one over here that we're going to see if it cool and slice it up. And when they cool, I'm going to put them in the fridge. When you go in the fridge, it's nice, you know. Pudding itself. Come like a pudding itself. Alright, so we are opening one of our Duckunoo. See that, people? This is one of my Duckunoo. And if it cool, you can slice it up. It's lovely. Let us slice nice. Gummy. You hear about gummy? Look at that. You see it a slice up nice? Dukunnu. Now I'm gonna taste piece for you. This is so gummy. I guess it's my potato, sweet potato. If this ever get like a wine, this is so lovely. Big up to all my subscribers, big up to all my viewers who have not yet subscribed to the channel. Subscribe, man. Help me to get to 500. So it's small, 500. I am far away from 500. Help me get to 500. Alright, if you have been viewing and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in our next adventure.